Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini editor. To begin, you will want to define the core purpose and user interface requirements for your editor. Next, choose a suitable programming language and framework, such as Python with Flask or Java script with React, to lay your foundation. Then, integrate an application programming interface, or API, for advanced language model capabilities, allowing your editor to understand and generate text. Finally, set up a robust text input area and display for all generated content. Once your basic structure is in place, focus on core functionality. Implement real-time text processing and syntax highlighting for various programming languages, making code easier to read. Add features for intelligent code completion and suggestion, which can significantly speed up development by offering relevant options. Develop a robust version control system to track all changes, ensuring you can revert to previous states if needed. Finally, incorporate a powerful search and replace function for efficient editing across your entire project. To make your Gemini editor truly powerful, consider customization and enhancements. Allow users to personalize themes, fonts, and keyboard shortcuts to match their preferences, creating a comfortable environment. Integrate extensions or plugins for specialized tasks and workflows, expanding the editor's capabilities beyond its core. Adding collaborative editing features can be invaluable for team projects, enabling multiple users to work simultaneously. Finally, implement advanced debugging tools for identifying and fixing errors efficiently. When developing and using your Gemini editor, always keep best practices in mind. Prioritize user experience with intuitive design and clear navigation, making the editor easy and enjoyable to use. Ensure high performance and responsiveness, even when handling very large files, to maintain productivity. Regularly update and maintain the editor for security patches and to introduce new features, keeping it current. Lastly, provide comprehensive documentation and support to help users maximize their editor's potential.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.